Welcome back, everyone. This is Unit 2, The Power of Machines. But in this video, we're going to study Lesson 2. Lesson 2, Listening. Lesson 2, Technical Support Call. مكالمة واحد محتاج technical support. طيب, this is طبعا احنا we don't do listening. Listen to the audio track. احنا مش بنسمع, عايزين نحاول نشوف guess the meanings of these words. The word urgency, offline, right, click, rivals, troubleshoots. What is the meaning of these words? طيب ممكن نختار اتنين كده يقرأوا لنا التكست. ماشي, it's okay. يوسف حمادة. Okay. ممكن تبقى انت technician. Alright. خلاص. ورحمة تبقى الكاستمر. ابدأ يوسف. الباقي يركز على the meaning of these words. Urgency, offline, right, click, drivers, troubleshoots. يلا يا جو.
Tech help support. This is Rami speaking. How can I assist you today?
How can I assist you today?
Hi Rami, this is Rania from Apex Marketing. Our printer isn't working properly, and we have an important presentation tomorrow.
Come on, Rami.
I understand your urgency. Rania. Let me help you troubleshoot this. First, please check if the printer is probably connected to your computer.
Okay, yes, all the cables are secure.
افصل الراوتر واقفل تاني.
Great. Now
Okay.
Now I need you to open the printer setting on your computer. Can you see the printer listed there?
Yes, but it shows as offline.
Perfect. That is the issue. Please right-click on the printer icon and select Use Printer Online. Then try printing this the test page.
Wow, it's working now. Thank you so much, Rami.
You're welcome. Now, to prevent this from happening again, I recommend restarting both your computer and the printer once a week. Also, please don't turn off the printer while it's processing.
It's a processing jobs. Yeah, got it. Should I do anything else? Yusuf, I can. Yeah, I suggest keeping. Yusuf, I suggest.
أنا اتكلمت على فكرة هو صوتي مش واصل؟
لا لا لا.
I suggest keeping the printer driver updated. Our website has the latest version.
Noted. That's perfect. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a great
Good.
day.
My pleasure. Have a great day. Okay. So we've got 5 questions here. اللي عايز يجاوب يتفضل. طبعا الفوكابولري مش هسيبها, ارجع لها, بس خلينا نجاوب على الأسئلة دي في الأول. What is the name of the customer?
Rania.
It's Rania. Good. What is the customer's problem? You said Rania.
The printer isn't working.
Good. Rania. The problem with the printer. The printer
Isn't working.
Yeah. Printer isn't working. فينك يا فارس, يعني انت نايم النهارده. Why does she urgently need to fix the problem?
Because she has
presentation tomorrow.
Raise your hand, okay? She has a presentation tomorrow. Okay. She has a presentation tomorrow. What should the customer do to prevent the same problem in the future? اتفضلي يا بسملة.
She should restart her computer at least once a week.
Restart and update. قال لها نصيحتين. Restart and update. What does the technician suggest at the end? ممكن هنا نكتب الupdate. What does the technician suggest toward the end to keep the drivers قول اتفضل يا يحيى.
Updating the drivers to
Yeah.
recently.
From the website. لو انت عايز الإجابات اهي. What is the name of the customer? The customer's name is Rania. What is the problem? Her printer is not working properly. Why does she need it? She has an important presentation tomorrow. What should the customer do to prevent? He should restart her computer and printer once a week and not turn off the printer while processing jobs. What does the technician suggest at the end? في الآخر, he suggests keeping the printer drivers updated. طيب تعال نروح للwords اهي. أنا عملتها لكم في شكل task. column A, column B. عايزين مشاركة أكتر. بسملة، رحمة، يحيى، فارس، إبراهيم. الباقي راح فين؟ احنا مش بنتعلم والله. أنا عايزكم في الإنجليش شاركوا معايا بس واعملوا الهومورك. that's it. ما تعملش حاجة تانية. We need to match the words in column A to the words in column B. Yeah, but what does the word number one, drivers? What are the drivers? كل شوية على الكمبيوتر يقول لك update the drivers. ايه هي drivers يا زياد؟ عشان لما تدخل ان شاء الله computer science حاسبات ومعلومات تبقى عارف يعني ايه drivers.
مولانا
drivers. طب قول يا وسام. drivers.
اف مش متأكدة بس
عادي, it's okay. One form of something that is slightly different. No. قول يا إبراهام.
دي software that helps devices work.
software that helps devices work. drivers هي عبارة عن software برامج بتساعد devices to work. طيب number 2 بسملة virgin.
One form of something that is slightly different to other forms of the same thing.
Yeah, this is virgin. نسخة. One form of something that's slightly different to other forms of the same thing. The latest version. By Myrna 3. Right click
Press the right mouse button.
to press the right mouse button. Troubleshoot. Rahma.
Wires in I use to connect. لا ثانية واحدة.
وقال لها في الconversation ايه؟ قال لها في الcall. Let
I
me
will help you
I will help you troubleshoot. Troubleshoot the problem.
fix problem step by
Fix the
step.
problem step by step. وفي حاجة في الكمبيوتر بيعملوا ده automatically. دايما في option كده يقول لك would you like to troubleshoot the problem? Discover the problem. طيب Myrna, what does it mean urgency? Urgency.
Importance اللي هي آخر واحدة.
محتاجة rapid action. Cables. What are the cables? Cables. ورا اياد راح فين؟ Cables. C. Okay. Wires.
موجود والله
Used
مش
to connect devices. طب حل لنا offline حتى. Offline.
تبقى بيها مستر
ما
سهلة
شاء
دي.
الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. Not connected to the network. والله المنهج بتاعكم frankly speaking هيفيدك linguistically. انت هتطلع منه قوي في اللغة والله. مش بس تتعامل معاه بشكل صحيح. دي اهم الكلمات الموجودة عندنا في lesson 2. هنعمل ايه دلوقتي؟ عندنا حوالي 60 more than 60 questions. البراكتس هنبتدي نحل على الكلمات. هنحل من كتاب المعاصر page number 63 to 66. الهومورك هيبقى من 67 to 73. افتح كده معايا كتاب المعاصر. تعالى كده نعمل براكتس.
مستر احنا بعد كده هنشتغل من كتاب المعاصر.
عشان هم الأقرب للوزارة يعني.